Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy at your home. Myself Chaitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learnt about capital and small letters A to Z. Capital and small letters A to Z. So today we will do one exercise related to capital letters in English workbook. So everyone open page number 1. Mention the date and classwork here. Yes. Now take out your pencil. Let's start writing. So kids, our first capital letter is capital letter A. So look over here kids. So first we have to draw slanting line. One more slanting line like this and sleeping line. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Now next is capital letter B. So let's write capital letter B. Draw standing line, small curve, one more curve like this. Okay, in the lines you have to draw properly. This is capital letter B. Now what comes after capital letter B? Tell me. It's capital letter C. Very good. So look over here. You have to draw one long curve. Capital letter C. Okay, this is capital letter C. What comes after capital letter C? It's capital letter D. So let's write. Draw standing line. Then join one long curve like a C to it. Okay. Like this. This is capital letter D. Okay. Now what comes after capital letter D? Tell me. Yes, it's capital letter E. Capital letter E. So draw one standing line, sleeping line, small sleeping line and one more sleeping line like this. This is capital letter E. Now tell me what comes after capital letter E? Yes, very good. It's capital letter F. So let's write capital letter F. Look over here. Draw standing line properly. Sleeping line, one more sleeping line like this. This is capital letter F. Capital letter F. Now what comes after capital letter F? Tell me. E, F, yes, it's G. Capital letter G. So look over here. Draw one curve. Up, draw sleeping line inside, come with the same line and draw one standing line like this. This is capital letter G. This is capital letter G. Now tell me E, F, G and yes, H. So we have to write here capital letter H. So look over here. Draw standing line, one more standing line and sleeping line like this. Okay, capital letter H. Now tell me E, F, G, H and then I. So look over here. For I you have to draw only standing line. This is capital letter I. Okay. Now next is H, I, then J. Capital letter J. So draw one standing line and turn. This is capital letter J. Capital letter J. Now next is what comes after capital letter J? Tell me. Okay, let's see. I, J and K. Very nice. So draw one standing line, slanting line from here, one more slanting line like this. This is capital letter K. Now after K, yes, tell me, it's L. J, K, L. So look over here, draw one standing line properly like this, then sleeping line. Very good, like this. This is capital letter L. Now next one is J, K, L and M. So we have to write here M. Draw standing line, slanting line, one more slanting line, up, then standing line. Like this. This is capital letter M. Now next one is capital letter N. So look over here, draw standing line, slanting line, one more standing line from here and join it. This is capital letter N. Now tell me what comes after capital letter N. Yes, look over here. L, M, N and it's O. Very good. So we have to write here capital letter O. So look over here. Draw one long curve. One more curve in opposite direction properly and join. This is capital letter O. Now after O, tell me M, N, O, P. Very good. So we have to write here capital letter P. So draw one standing line and join small curve. Okay, like this. It's capital letter P. Now tell me O, P. Yes, it's Q. So look over here. You have to draw curve, one more curve in opposite direction and join. Draw properly. Yes. Then draw one slanting line like this. This is capital letter Q. Now tell me P, Q, R. Very good. So draw one standing line, curve, one slanting line. This is capital letter R. Now tell me Q, R, then next is S. So look over here, curve, one more curve in this direction. This is capital letter S. Now next is R, S, T. Very good. So draw sleeping line, then standing line. Sleeping line, then standing line. This is capital letter T. So look over here now. What comes after capital letter T? Yes, it's capital letter U. Very good. So look over here. draw standing line, curve, again standing line. Okay, you have to draw standing line. Then from here you have to draw curve and again standing line like this. This is capital letter U. Now tell me next one. T, U. And next is capital letter V. So look over here. Draw slanting line. One more slanting line. It's capital letter V. Next is W. Very good. So let's draw W now. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Again slanting line down. Then up. Okay. Yes, you have to draw slanting line very carefully. Like this. It's capital letter W. V, W. Next is X. Look over here. Slanting line. One more slanting line. It's X. Now next is Y. So draw one slanting line. One more slanting line. Standing line. It's capital letter Y. X, Y. And last is Z. So look over here. Draw sleeping line. Slanting line. One more sleeping line. Properly like this. Okay, this is capital letter Z. So kids, like this you have to complete pages 1 and 2, 3 and 4 of your English workbook, and also you have to complete page number 4 of your English preset book. So everyone take care. Bye-bye.